Hi everyone, this is just another 30 euro deposit short and sweet sample. This is just to get the habit of making deposit and trade for 15-20 minutes and get out with some profit. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, so I have only 64% return, so I wouldn't expect a lot of profit for short trade. But anyway, I'm trying, see what I can do. Now you look at the 15 minutes chart. Past 15 minutes is in the downtrend, so which means you have more probability winning going from the top to the bottom instead of the bottom to the top. So that's why I'm going to do. So I'm waiting. The green's gonna grow to the top of the 5 seconds RSI. So until then, I'm not going to open the position. Okay, here we go. Here's the first position to be opened for 3 euros per position. I opened 2 of them, so it's a 6 euros trade. Now green is still growing, but we'll see. Okay, actually right now it is hitting the top of the RSI. When I first opened, was a little premature. It was approaching the RSI top limit. So anyway, it reversed pretty strongly from the top to the bottom, as I expected. So the next question is if I had the correct expiry time or it was too long. Now it hit the bottom RSI, so it's bouncing back to the green. Then now it's undecided. So at this stage, undecided is very welcomed. Since it prevents green to grow back too high to secure this position. Like earlier I mentioned, it's currently downtrend is a little stronger than the upper trend. That's why I prefer to trade from the top to the bottom. Okay, so this one worked. The next one, I'm decreasing the trading amount 1 euro. The reason I'm doing it, since I was successful with the first trade to generate the profit, and I don't want to too quickly wipe out that profit, whatever small, €3.84. But it's a precious profit, and if I trade €3 and if I lose, I'm gonna wipe them all out. So I reduced to €1 for now, and I'm still waiting for the candle to reach the top RSI on the 5-second chart. I'm not going for the reversal from the bottom to the top. I'm only trading from the top to the bottom, but in order to do so, the greens needs to reach the top limit. It's getting there, but it's not quite yet. So I'm just waiting for the green to get a little higher. But the remaining expiry time is getting a little shorter. I have only like a 70 seconds, so I'm gonna increase the expiry time until green settles a little bit higher before opening the position. So I opened the position because it looked like it's not going to grow any further. But it may not be as straightforward. It may going to bounce back to the green again. As I expected, it's bouncing back. It's undecided now. Okay, it's exceeded my original position. So this option, I have a winning, losing chance. It's right now is a 50-50. Okay. But now it's undecided, so it's still 50-50, a little bit in favor of my direction. It's still undecided. Okay, somehow it worked. Now the next one. Okay, now green grew with a spike. This is a little tricky one, so I gave a little longer expiry, 3 minutes, and opening the first position. This is a little tricky. There's no guarantee green's gonna turning into the red and coming down at this point, even though it is at the top of RSI on the 5 seconds. But on a 30 seconds RSI, it's undecided. So now it came down nearby the bottom RSI for the 5 seconds. So now it's bouncing back again. It is undecided now. Whether it's gonna return to the red or goes to the green, it's completely undecided now. And there's nothing else indicates it's gonna go for the green or red. So it's a 50-50. Now it went for the green. Now it's approaching the top RSI. So it is still undecided. A little bit in favor of my direction. Okay, now I exceeded my position. And I have to decide whether I'm gonna nest another position on this or not, because it's kind of undecided. So I nested one more right before the deadline. See, it's a little tricky this right now. It's kind of forming the mini trend going upwards. So I gave a longer expiry on the right top window and go for the 3 euros to recover the previous loss of 2 euros. It doesn't 100% recover, but if I win this option, it will reduce the loss from 2 euros to 8 cents. It's quite challenging having only 64% return to recoup the loss quickly. But it is also challenging to make it work with a 64% return. At least to make some kind of profit. So this previous 15 minutes candle red trend has already finished. Currently the trend is neutral. Maybe it's going to be switched to the green trend, but it is a little premature to say. Anyway, I'm going for another reversal from the top to the bottom with €1. Right now it's completely undecided. But the red has already reached the bottom. RSI, so now it is growing upwards. And it hasn't reached the top RSI limit, so it's still growing. It's a matter of the timing if it expires. Or not. Okay. So now here's a big green spike. So I'm gonna give a full 5 minutes expiry with a hope the candle's gonna come down, but the green is still growing. But on the 30-second chart, RSI has reached the top limit. So it is very likely the red's gonna come down. And I'm making one more option prepared for the top right window with extra 1 minute expiry than left top window. In case left top window fails, I can follow it up on the right top window. Well, there's no need for it yet. This is the first trading time on the Monday, February 26, around 2 a.m. So not so many people has been trading yet. So now I'm following it up on the right top window with a 1 minute longer expiry time, but with a €3. Left top is €1. So it hasn't been so simple to make a profit. And I've been trading almost 20 minutes. Sometimes reversal doesn't happen immediately. it's gonna stay on sideways for quite a long time. So you kind of have to be patient. But it will reverse. It's a matter of how long it will take. Until then, it just stays horizontally in a sideways, back and forth. But gradually now it's approaching the bottom RSI. So it may gonna reverse back to the green again before the expiry. But the left top is almost, my position is secured, unless big green spikes gonna pop up, which is very unlikely. Okay, that long red probably secure for the right top trade as well. So the general trend is still for the red. So I have €7.60 profit in a little over 20 minutes, 22 minutes. I'm gonna settle with this for today. Just get out. I didn't lose anything, so refund my deposit, €30 back to the bank first, and then withdraw €7.6 as a profit. And that's it. Just 20 some minutes of trade. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon.